Thermador Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Thermador freezer repair that consists of Thermador chest freezer repair and Thermador French door freezer repair, along with all other Thermador freezer models. If your Thermador freezer is not cooling or your Thermador freezer is not working, possibly your Thermador freezer runs all the time or the freezer is leaking water, maybe your freezer is having defrost drain problems or the freezer's coils are frosting up, maybe your freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.